get my seatbelt on for safety.
Morning, everyone. So today, going to a swap meet, Monroe, Michigan. We're gonna go see if we can find any goodies or not. So in the truck with me is my son. Say hello, Hunter.
Hello.
So we're gonna drive over there and we'll shoot a video of some of the stuff that's around, what's for sale, and yeah, just kind of have a fun, chill day.
Let's hit the road.
There we go.
Which hand is it? The left hand? Oh. No. I kind of never did that.
Okay, my dad wanted to talk to you about that. Okay. Cool. Thanks.
Here, guys, is I think it's a 68 Dart GTS.
You have the other one that had the stripe on
Definitely rough. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed some of the sights and sounds of the swap meet here in Monroe, Michigan. This is the spring of 2022 one. There will be a fall one, I believe it's in August. And this is a badass, you know, power wagon, you know, behind me on a diesel Cummins frame setup. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the sights and sound of the swap meet. You know, this is a great swap meet to come to. You know, tons and tons of stuff, as you guys saw, just a little bit of everything for everybody. So take care, guys, and see you on the next upload.